Tulugan ko yung dalway.
Hindi kami nagising.
Pagka-alarm yun. Yung ba't ko nga?
Shit, yung alarm na. So yun? Damo na.
So yun,
So yun?
mamimili na guys. Kakain na.
Kakain na po kami, kakain na po. Ano ulam?
Ano ba? Kakain na.
Ay, tama yung ulam pa.
So yun. Papunta na kami. Papunta naming Alipjobjaban guys. Part 2. Iniwan na naman ako, tangina.
Make me wanna run and play every time I think of you. And I wanna go up
I'm with Pedro.
right down.
Hi,
And
I'm
look at
Pedro.
the
Welcome to
ocean so
Alipjobjaban.
blue. I
Welcome to
wanna
Baku,
feel
brother.
the breeze blowing in my face.
Did you see?
Whisper your name.
We're the seaman.
Your name?
My name is Chris Cueto. Yeah, fuck you.
Repping from.
Repping Sariaya, Quezon. Pinagong, I love it.
What's your name?
Angela Neswanglo. Fresh from Sampalo, Quezon.
Again, what's your name?
I'm Ezekiel from Jamaica. Do the reggae.
How about you?
Hello, hello. I'm Arnold. Arnold P. Dirud. Rock!
I'm James Camera.
From
Dubai.
Uy, puta, Dubai, Chewy.
I'm Nathan Rodriguez po from Candelaria. Mamay Jen, Compra.
With my
Ayaw ko na si Jagalton.
He's giving the ocean floor. And as the sun goes down and the moon goes up, I can see the stars. As we sit by that fire beneath our shadow and jam our guitars. This is the life I was given. This is the life I love country living. This is the life meant for me and you. So I hope you get to live it too. take control. 'Cause I can see the pain in your eyes from the pressures of today. Open your eyes, we're in paradise, and throw them all away. This is the life I was given. This is the life I love country living. This is the life meant for me and you. So I hope you get to live it too. And if I die, remember this life, darling, your love is for the rest.
So ayun. Nightlife guys. Nightlife na walang bar. Chill lang with the boys. Let's go. Ay na chef, hanggang dito chef. Gusto mo ako na chef? Nasakit ulo mo eh. Mga concern ba ako?
Kasi ito. Tatlo agad pre.
Sinahin pal. Hindi. Aray mo. Bakit? Uwi na. Tol, sarado mo na tol. Hindi, day 3 na eh. Sarado mo na tol oh.
Sara mo ano eh. May hapon pala ako dalawa.